Hello friends, family, and YouTube. Today I am going to be working on my first YouTube video for my channel because I had someone call and say that they were having issues with their AC blowing cold air, but not delivering the air to the proper vent. So it's coming through her defrost and her feet, but she's unable to change that setting from that to directly onto her or any of the other settings. So she has a Chrysler 200. It's a 2012, I believe. I'll double check on that, but a 2012 Chrysler 200. And with these vehicles, from what I have gathered, with these vehicles, their automatic setting is to deliver the air via defrost. So there's this thing behind the knobs. There's 3 knobs in the Chrysler 300, and I'll show all of this to you guys in just a few minutes. But I'm explaining it so that you kind of know going in what we're going to do. So there's 3 knobs. Behind each of those knobs is like a little part that tells the knob what setting to be on, whether it's hot, cold, high, low, defrost, or directly coming at you air. So the reason why her air is cold and why the pressure of the air is still right is because each of those knobs have a different part, and this part is called an actuator. The actuator is basically the brain to these knobs to help. So each of these knobs basically execute whatever function you want your car to be doing, whether that's with the heat or the air conditioner. So there's also, this video could be helpful whether you're working with your AC and it's doing this, or whether you're working with your heat and it's doing this. Either way, the actuator powers both of those things and is necessary to work for both of those things to work. So anyway, stay tuned and I will keep you guys posted here in a couple minutes. As we get started, I'll go ahead and let you know everything you're gonna need, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. My look today is camo with camo eyes. Yep, gotta keep it fresh, ladies. All right, and gentlemen, you gotta keep it fresh too, because no lady wants a stinky man. Well, unless it's a hard-working stinky man. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in a few. Bye. Okay, so here I am in the Chrysler, and I'm gonna just show you guys a few parts so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here are your 3 knobs. You have the temperature knob, the fan. So the temperature knob, the fan knob that determines how much air is coming out, and then your knob with all these different settings. Okay, so her knob, it turns okay all the way. It's not stuck or anything, so there's nothing catching that up. However, it is stuck on this setting. All that is coming out, all the air conditioner that is coming out of up there, which she is wanting it to come out of here because it is a hot day. So her temperature is fine, so there's no problem with that. And so we're just gonna work on this knob and find the actuator for this knob. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to remove her glove box. So with that, on the side of every little glove box, pretty much every glove box I've ever interacted with has. So what we got to do is we got to remove her glove box. So with most every vehicle I have ever interacted with, the glove box, which is located in front of the passenger side of the car, is going to be able to just pop out. You kind of got to push the sides in. Here, I'm gonna just take out what she's got right here, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you just gotta push in on the sides and pull down at the same time, and you should kind of hear like a click. And that is going to be because the little clips that clip it in are coming out, and that's that. So it looks like on this vehicle there's this little thing right here, let me see, which is still holding the dash up, so that's why it hasn't just completely fallen out. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna try to get this out. Yep. So let's see, with a little sweet talking and some elbow grease, it should come right out of this thing that's right here. Let's see. There we go, and we got her out. Alrighty. So when it's out, it should look like that. Pretty much how you would expect it to look like. So back here. Okay, so if you guys go ahead and look at the left-hand side after you open the dash, kind of up a little bit, right there, you're gonna have your actuator, which is what we're gonna be changing out. So you're gonna need a ratchet wrench, and I believe I have an 8mm socket. Go ahead and show you all that. Okay, and you're gonna take out the screws on the side of that thing, and then we'll go from there. Okay everyone, so as you can see, this is what I got out of the vehicle from behind the vent knobs, like I told y'all about. This is what it's gonna look like, and let's see, we are going to go ahead and open it up. I've noticed it's kind of a pain in the butt because these little tabs, there's like a tab here, a tab here, or a tab here, a tab here, tab here, 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 here. So all the way around there's tabs, and you have to get them all. So if you have a screwdriver or something, sometimes that helps. But if you open it up, you are gonna find it's gonna look like this. Okay, it's gonna look like this, except for your gear should not look like that. You see how the teeth are missing right there? That is what is causing the problem with all of the, or with her vent knob not working and not pushing the air where she wants it to go. So if you want to go ahead and just take a look at the inside of this to check to make sure that this is your problem, those are things you're going to want to look for. There are separate gears, so check all of them. Make sure that, you know, none of them have cracks or teeth missing. Make sure that they're lubed up good, and that your motor also works. Make sure that this motor isn't broken, because if that's broken, it will also not work properly. So there you have it. what I did is I went to AutoZone and I got a new one of these and I installed it the same way I took it out. I put it back in, and you guys were there for that. So I just wanted to kind of show you what was wrong and what was causing it to make that switch but not actually make the switch on the vent. So there you have it. Thank you all for tuning in. Like my channel, subscribe for more videos, more DIY mechanic fixes. I should have one coming up soon with an oil change, and then I should have one coming up soon. I'll be changing out a water pump on a Pontiac. So there you have it. Thank you guys all, and have a good rest of your night, good rest of your week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so here I am in the Chrysler, and I'm going to just show you guys a few parts so you know what I'm talking about.